What if I told you that everything you just saw, every emotion-filled glance, every cinematic scene, every breathtaking frame, was created without a single animator, studio, or line of code, just AI? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created stunning, fully 3D animated story videos with multiple consistent characters throughout, using only AI tools. No 3D modeling, no rigging, no teams, just your imagination, and a few game-changing secrets. And here's the best part. Once you learn this process, you'll be able to bring your own stories to life, in minutes, not hours. Before, it was just a dream to create full stories with consistent characters. Now, one tool makes it possible and incredibly easy. This is your moment to step into the director's chair. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing everything. The tools, the workflow, and insider tips no one's talking about. And if you're confused about how to start your own faceless YouTube channel, let me make it simple. I'll set up your channel from scratch with all the right settings, and personally guide you over WhatsApp or Telegram until you're ready to launch with confidence. The AI tool I'm using is called Dzine AI, and it's a total game changer. So let's jump in. I searched for Dzine AI and clicked on the first link. I'm already logged in, but you can sign in easily with your Gmail or Google account. It takes just a few seconds. Once it loads, you'll see its stunning, intuitive interface. From here, simply click on the AI Tools button. On the next page, you'll see that Dzine AI packs a powerful suite of tools, from image to image, text to image, and consistent characters, image to video, lip sync, and more. It's like having an entire animation studio powered by AI, all in one place. But today, we're diving deep into Dzine AI's consistent character tool, the real game changer. This is where the magic begins. To start, click the Character tab. You'll see 5 powerful options: build your character, manage characters, generate images, insert characters, and character sheet. To create a new character, you can use either build your character or go straight to character sheet, which is what I'll use here. Now click on Dzine 3D Render, and you'll unlock a gallery of stunning character styles, from realistic to 3D, anime, and more. I tested nearly all of them, but trust me, the realistic style delivers absolutely incredible results. I'm choosing the realistic style. Next, we need to define exactly how our character should look. And here's the cool part. ChatGPT can help us craft the perfect, detailed description in seconds. Now I'll drop a command into ChatGPT, and it'll instantly generate a detailed character description. You'll find this exact prompt in the comments, so you can use it to start crafting your own characters too. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated an in-depth character description. I'll simply copy it and paste it directly into Dzine AI's description box. Next, you can choose the aspect ratio and generation mode. I'll leave the default settings for now and simply hit the Generate button. As you can see, the character generation has started. It takes a little time, but trust me, the results are worth the wait. Dzine AI has now generated 4 stunning character variations based on our prompt. And honestly, the results are mind-blowing. I instantly fell in love with these designs, especially this one right here. But since I want a 3D style character, I'll head back to ChatGPT and tweak the prompt specifically for that look. Here's the updated command prompt I gave ChatGPT to generate a 3D style character description. Once again, ChatGPT delivered a detailed and powerful 3D character prompt. I simply copied it, pasted it into Dzine AI's description box, and hit Generate. After a short wait, Dzine AI produced a stunning 3D character. And the result? Absolutely incredible. If you're happy with a character but want more variations of that exact look, just click on the character number and hit the variation button. Dzine AI will generate fresh versions while keeping the core design intact. As you can see, Dzine AI has generated several new variations, all closely matching the character we selected. Now the next step is to train your character to bring it to life. In the Build Character section, select the character you want to train for your story. For this example, I'll click on character number 3 to train it for consistent use throughout the story. Next, give your character a name. I'll name mine Sarah, and then click the Train button. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes for the character to be fully trained. Now that the character is ready, I'll simply click on the Use and Consistent Character button to proceed. Now it's time to generate the images with this character. As you can see, we've selected the character Sarah, and in the Character Action and Scene section, I'll simply paste the prompt. Sarah is on a date with her boyfriend, enjoying coffee together in a cozy, romantically lit cafe. Next, I'll click on the Camera button. Here you can select the character direction, and I'll leave it set to auto. In the camera shot section, I'll choose the full body option. In the aspect ratio section, you can select options like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, but I'll go with the 16.9 dimensions for this one. Next, click the Generate button. It will take a moment for the images to be created based on the prompt you've provided. Wow, just look at that. We've successfully generated the first image with our consistent character. Sarah and her boyfriend are enjoying coffee together, and if you look closely, you'll see that the character remains perfectly consistent across these images. That's the power of this tool. It's working flawlessly. Just like that, I've generated more stunning images using the same character, Sarah. But here's the big question. What if you want to create scenes with multiple consistent characters? Like Sarah and her boyfriend, both staying perfectly consistent across every image? To generate scenes with multiple consistent characters, like Sarah and her boyfriend, you'll first need to create and train a second consistent character, just like we did with Sarah. This time, I'm going to create the second consistent character using images. Head over to Character, click on Build Your Character, then select Start with Images. Upload at least 3 clear images of your character. I'll name mine Aiden, and then click Start Training. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes to train the character, and once the training is complete, your second consistent character will be ready to use. As you can see, the second consistent character, Aiden, is now ready. But before we place him into the scene, let's first change the canvas aspect ratio to 16.9 and click Apply. Next, double-click on the image where you want to add Aiden alongside Sarah. After that, go back to Character, click on Insert Character, then select the Brush tool and simply highlight the spot where you want Aiden to appear beside Sarah. As you can see, I've highlighted only the character that was automatically added by Dzine AI. Now click on Choose a Character, select Aiden, and hit the Generate button. And just wait for the magic to happen. And boom, Dzine AI has generated 4 variations of Aiden alongside Sarah. Now just pick the one that blends best with your scene, and you're good to go. And if you want to download the image, just hit the Download button. You can even upscale it from 1.5x to 4x. Simply click Upscale, and it'll enhance the quality before downloading automatically. Now let's try a new prompt. I've pasted it in, kept the same settings, and I'll go ahead and click the Generate button. And just like that, Dzine AI has generated another stunning image with absolutely consistent character details. Now to insert Sarah's boyfriend Aiden, you can either choose the image directly from the Insert Character section or go to the Character tab, click on Insert Character, and use the brush tool to quickly highlight the area, just like we did before. As you can see, Aiden is already selected, so I'll go ahead and click the Generate button using the same settings. As you can see, Dzine AI has generated Aiden shirtless, exactly as described in the Character, Action, and Scene prompt. The Dzine AI is smart enough to follow even subtle details like this with impressive accuracy. You can also repair hand if it is not perfect. Click on the hand repair, select brush, then select the hand and click Generate. And after that, select your desired result. And in this way, you can repair hand if it is not perfect. Just like that, I've generated this image. But now, what if I want to give it a cultural twist? Let's dress Sarah in a stunning traditional Indian sari and Aiden in a classic Arabic thobe with a cap. To do that, you can use ChatGPT to write the prompt. I will paste my own that includes their outfits. Now I'll paste the full prompt here and then copy just the part that describes Sarah's outfit into her character description. This way, Dzine AI will clearly understand how to dress her, ensuring the generated image perfectly matches the vision. Once everything's set, just hit the Generate button. And as you can see, Dzine AI has beautifully generated Sarah in a stunning Indian sari. Now the next step is to bring Aiden into this image, dressed in a traditional Arabic thobe and cap to complete the scene. I'll place the first image on the canvas, then go to the Insert Character section. Click on 1, choose the brush tool, and highlight the area where you want to place Aiden, just like we did earlier. After that, click on Choose a Character. I'll select Aiden to insert him into the image. In the Character Action box, I'll paste the same prompt. And just like before, I'll copy Aiden's outfit details and paste them into the character description. Then I'll double-click the Generate button to get even more variations so we can choose the version that fits perfectly. As you can see, the result is absolutely mind-blowing. We've successfully generated images with multiple consistent characters, even changing their outfits. And the best part, you can do the same. Simply tweak the prompt and you'll get a whole new set of stunning results. Now it's time to bring this image to life. Head over to the AI video section, and choose the character that fits your scene. I'll go with character number 3. The exciting part? Dzine AI gives you access to some of the most advanced AI video models available today, like Kling, Pixverse, and Minimax, etc. For this, I'll select Kling 1.6 Pro and paste the same prompt we used for the image. You can also choose your video duration, 5 or 10 seconds. I'll go with 5 seconds and hit the generate button. It'll take about 5 minutes to process. And just look at these results. Absolutely stunning. You can do the same. Create stunning images with multiple consistent characters and bring them to life using this powerful AI tool. You'll find the link to Dzine AI in the description. You can get started for free, but with limited features. If you choose to upgrade, their paid plans range from just $8.99 to $59.99 per month. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It truly means the world to us.